On Tuesday, 18th January, the members of the Meghalaya SSA School Association held a press conference to inform the public on their next course of action to protest against the state government's apathy to the demands of the teachers that include payment of pending salary, the issue of non-payment of uniform and school grants to students, and regularization of SSA teachers in the state. An RTI report was also received where findings on funds to be released to the teachers was reported. It may be reminded that the association had initiated the non-cooperation movement since December 2021, where a decision to not take part in any program of the state government had been taken. The president of the association, Aristotle Rimbai, while addressing media persons, informed that 10 of its members will be holding a black flag and candlelight vigil at Khandailat, Shillong on the 21st of January 2022, as the government has not been able to fulfill the demands for pending salary for the months of October to December 2021. Earlier, a letter campaign was started on the 22nd of December 2021 to demand for their rights to salary.
So we, the General Executive Committee of the Meghalaya SSA School Association Central Body, unanimously we have taken a decision to move ahead with our agitation program on 21st January 2022. So because of the no response from the government side, it has compelled us to take this decision. Even though we understand, we are concerned of the situation and the restriction because of the COVID-19, but we have to take this decision because there is no response from the government side. So we have decided to go ahead with our agitation, that is a black flag sit-in demonstration and a candlelight vigil at Khandailat, okay, Police Bazaar, in front of the old Meghalaya Legislative Building on 21st January 2022.
On the RTI filed to the Ministry of Education through the Department of School Education and Literacy, the president of the MSSA SA informed that the association had sought information on the delay in release of central government funds to the state government and to seek for a copy of the minutes of the Project Approval Board for financial year 2020-21. The percentage of funds that the central and state governments that are available to support payment of SSA salaries and the responsible agency that decides upon regularization of SSA teachers in the state were also sought for through the RTI filed by the association.
The reply from the Ministry of Education say an amount of rupees 203 crores 2,22,000 has been released till date during financial year 2021 and 22 for elementary education for Meghalaya, which includes financial support for payment of teachers' salary. So if we go as per this RTI, it contradicts with the statement of our Honorable Education Minister, Sir Lakman Rambui. I think all of us remember on 21st or 22nd December, if I'm not mistaken, he informed that the central government have released an additional fund, which is being a fund of first installment amounting around rupees 52 crores something. Okay, so as per this RTI, it reflects here the amount released by the central government on 22nd December 2021 is rupees 73 crores 51 lakh 99,000. So not for 52 crores as informed by our Honorable Education Minister. So it is it make the association and all the SSA teachers in the entire state of Meghalaya, we are surprised to see that why there is a gap or the difference between the statement of our Honorable Education Minister and the reply which we got from the Ministry of Education. Apart from that, it is clearly mentioned on the RTI reply that till date, okay, till the day we got this reply that is till 14 January 2022, the central government have released an amount of 203 crores 2,22,000 to to the state of Meghalaya, including financial support for payment of teachers' salary. So the question arises here is, they have received the fund, so why they are not in position to pay our salary till December? That is the remaining month for October, November and December 2021. This is the question we want to put we want to send a message to the state government. Fund they have already received, so why they keep saying that they have not received the fund from the central government, they are not in position to pay our salary.
Aristotle Rumbai had given a detailed report on the RTI findings with regards to financial support of the central government to provide free school grant and uniforms for students of the state of Meghalaya under the SSA scheme.
This uniform grant is a financial support given by the central government to provide free uniform to the students in the state of Meghalaya. Okay, so as per the estimate, okay, as per the estimate or the proposal sent by the Government of Meghalaya to the Ministry of Education for approval of the project approval board, they sent a proposal for the uniform that is rupees 600 each student. Okay, rupees 600 each student. Okay, for proposal, and they have got an approval from the Ministry of Education from the project approval board meeting, which was held in New Delhi, on 1st July 2021. Okay, for school who are having enrollment from 1 to 30, there are 2,433 schools. School having enrollment from 30 to 100, there are 3,790 schools. School having enrollment 100 to 250, there are 479 schools. And the school having enrollment 250 to 1,000, there are 27 schools. So the total all these schools are 7,658 schools. So what make the association surprised? The proposal they send is enrollment wise. Okay, approval also they have got from the Ministry of Education in their project approval meeting, which was held on 1st July 2021. They got an approval as per the proposal. So today we have also met the Secretary Education, Sir Ambrose Marat, regarding this issue. We have submit a representation from our side seeking clarification. Why this disparity, why these differences are there, why this gap are there? It is not as per the proposal, not as per the approval by the project approval board of the Ministry of Education, Government of India.
On the regularization of posts of all SSA teachers, Aristotle Rumbai said that it is an issue that is of great concern. An RTI to this effect was also filed and its findings were reported, informed the MSSA SA President.
The issue of regularization of SSA teachers is concerned. I think all of us, we know and we have noticed also that what is the statement of the Education Minister and also the Chief Minister. Okay, they keep on saying that it is not the responsibility of the state government to regularize the service of the SSA teachers. Okay, so we have filed an RTI, and the reply we got from the Ministry of Education, Government of India is, it is clearly mentioned here that regularization of SSA teachers under Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan is the responsibility of the state government. Okay, the reply says very clearly it is the responsibility of the state government. And we just want to inform you that regarding this issue of regularization, as we have already decided during our mass rally on 9 November 2021, unanimously we have taken a decision to move this issue to the Honorable Meghalaya High Court. Preparation to file a case in the Meghalaya High Court is going on now. Okay, we are preparing for this to file a case in the Meghalaya High Court as far as regularization of SSA teachers is concerned.